biting like he did. Are you getting that conviction from the Holy Spirit? Yes, you are. Good. Nope, nope. He's going, he's not biting like he did. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at this, Angel. Come on, look at this. He's not biting like he did. Come close, you can see.
I'm seeing.
Look, watch. He'll kind of go like he's starting to, but he doesn't. It's the conviction of the Holy Spirit. He feels it. He feels convicted by Jesus.